Welcome to the Specialty Surgical Center of North Brunswick, located just off Route 130 in North Brunswick, New Jersey. The day before your procedure, between 2 and 4 p.m., a registered nurse from our team will call to give you your exact arrival time. It's important that you speak with them directly so we can confirm everything you need to know. When you arrive, you'll find plenty of parking, including convenient handicap-accessible spaces directly in front of our building. Enter through the main doors, and you'll find our suite just to the right of the elevator. Make your way to our reception suite 102, where a member of our friendly staff will be there to welcome you and guide you through check-in. We're honored to care for you and look forward to making your visit as smooth and comfortable as possible.